I'm Ryan Shortis, representing Stanmore Poitrel Coal Mine. I'm the Senior Reliability Engineer on site. We are here today at Hastings Deering Mackay talking about our 8 793F trucks we have had rebuilt here in 2023.
For this project, we work closely with the Stanmore customer to develop a scope and a tailored package that suits what their requirements at site were for these 8 trucks. There was an individual scope required for each truck and not a one-size-fits-all.
Overall feeling with the project that it's been a success. We are looking for on budget, on time, and the quality. So we had a strict timeline, a strict budget, and we wanted at the end of the process to achieve reliability. Reliability brings availability, which is what's required by the business for these machines.
After a competitive tender process, Hastings Deering and Stanmore set up a work group to plan, manage and execute the rebuild project. With our extensive facilities, highly trained staff and genuine CAP parts, we're able to offer a rebuild project that meets or exceeds the customer's expectations.
Each of the trucks had their own individual scope depending on what components were due on strategy. As the machine's working in service up to the 24,000 hour mark, which they were at, come time for this deep level maintenance, they don't all have the same requirements. So as a part of the tendering process, all 8 scopes were put out and a tender for individualised machines was put forward.
Hastings Deering has the ability to offer a tailored solution all the way through from individual component replacements right through to our full machine certified rebuilds offering a 24-month 10,000 hour warranty. We have a great relationship with Stanmore and look forward to working with them in the future. Hastings Deering, nobody rebuilds better.